Today I'm here with part 2 of my video on zero waste swaps that no one talks about. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long time since I last posted a video, and this is because we moved to London recently, and to be honest I didn't feel like shooting this video, but I've been procrastinating for quite some time and I decided I need to stop making excuses and just get into the swing of things. So if you're new here, my name's Amrita and welcome to the channel that aims to bring you everything from minimalism, sustainability, self-care and self-development. These bottles have become more common, with many brands now producing them. The disposable versions of these are not sustainable and are made of various materials from aluminium to plastic, and these materials are difficult to separate and as such nearly impossible to successfully recycle. And in any case, our decision should start with reducing consumption and not just justifying a purchase because the item is recyclable. These recycling processes are quite energy and water intensive and don't create the circular economy that we're trying to foster. So back to these spray bottles, you essentially fill them with the oil of your choice that you already have in your kitchen, and you use this as you would a disposable one. The reusable bottle is also better in that you are in complete control of the oil being used, with no unnecessary additives, and is also safer for your health if a glass spray bottle is used. These pencils can replace the plastic highlighters that we're used to. Plastic highlighters are nearly impossible to recycle, so we throw them away and the number is staggering. Pencil highlighters are made of wood and do not have the plastic or chemical ink that the average highlighter may contain. These dry highlighters are also great as they don't bleed through thin pages, leak out or dry out. This offers a new way to staple without staples. This stapleless stapler punches a small hole in papers and tucks the punched out tab under the bottom sheet to keep papers together. So there's no waste from the staples that you need to keep replenishing, and no more needing to remove the metal staples when recycling stapled papers. There are a multitude of brands that make eco-friendly floss from bamboo to silk. Although I'd completely argue against the fact that silk is sustainable. Silk fibers are produced by silkworms when they spin themselves into a cocoon on their journey to becoming a silk moth. These ultra-soft fibers are harvested from the cocoon in their raw state by being boiled in hot water, still containing the silkworms, and stirred until the cocoons unravel. So if you're vegan, this is definitely not for you, and in my opinion, this is a very inhumane and unnecessary method of making floss. So try out the bamboo versions instead. So there you have it guys, another set of zero waste swaps. Always remember to use what you have first, and don't just buy eco-friendly items for the sake of it, especially if you don't currently use these items. As I'm sure you know, the most sustainable option is not to buy the item at all. That's it from me for now. Until next time, you guys, be the change you want to see.